Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young boy named Liam. Liam had big dreams and aspirations that seemed almost impossible to achieve in his humble surroundings. But he never let that deter him. Every day after completing his chores and studies, he would sneak off to a quiet spot by the river to reflect and plan his future. One day, while sitting by the river, Liam noticed a group of ants working tirelessly to carry food to their nest. He watched in awe as they worked together, each ant contributing its bit to achieve a common goal. Inspired by their unity and determination, Liam realized that he too could overcome his challenges by staying focused and persistent. With renewed determination, Liam started working harder than ever. He read books, asked questions, and sought guidance from anyone willing to help. He faced failures and setbacks, but he refused to give up. He kept reminding himself of the ants and their unwavering commitment. Years passed, and Liam's efforts began to bear fruit. He secured a scholarship to a prestigious university, where he continued to work diligently. He made friends who shared his passion, and learned from experienced mentors who saw his potential. Through dedication and hard work, he graduated with honors. But Liam's journey didn't end there. He used his education and experiences to create positive change in his village. He started programs to provide education and opportunities to underprivileged children. He initiated clean water projects and worked towards sustainable farming practices. Liam's story spread beyond the village, inspiring others to chase their dreams against all odds. He showed them that with determination, hard work, and a heart full of compassion, even the most daunting challenges could be conquered. And so, the once quiet village became a hub of progress and hope, all because of a young boy who drew strength from the tiny ants by the riverside. Liam's story became a reminder that no dream is too big, and no journey too difficult if you have the will to persevere and the heart to make a difference. Thanks for watching.